We've been walking for 20 minutes. This store is really big.
Look at this dining table. It matches our living room really well.
I like the design, but is it easy to clean? I'm worried about stains.
Yes, we can just wipe it with a wet towel. And look, it's 30% off today.
30% off? That's a good price. Do we take the box from here?
No, first we need to write down the location number. Give me the pencil and measuring tape.
Here you go. Read the numbers to me and I'll write them down.
Okay, product number 403.521.12, aisle 12, bin 05. Done.
Great. Now we need to go to the warehouse downstairs.
I see a shortcut over there. Let's go that way. It will be faster.
Are you sure? The signs say we should stay on the main path.
Trust me, I know this place. This way is faster.
Wait, we're back in the bedroom area. We were here 15 minutes ago.
My bad. I got confused by the arrows on the floor.
Let's ask someone for help.
Excuse me, what is the fastest way to the warehouse?
Follow the yellow line on the floor. At the end, turn left and take the elevator.
Follow the yellow line. Got it. Thank you. Aisle 12. Here it is. Bin 05 is right here.
The table comes in 2 boxes. They look pretty heavy.
I'll take this side. You take the other side. Let's lift it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Put it flat in the bottom of the cart so it doesn't fall.
Good idea.
Wait a minute. These cushions and candles are everywhere.
Yeah, they're getting in our way.
Let's move them over to the side.
I didn't notice we got so many things.
I know. We only came here to buy one table.
And now we have cushions, candles, a table, a lamp, and what is that?
It's a small plant.
A plant? We came here for a table.
I know, but look how cute it is.
Yeah, it is really cute. Let's go pay before we buy anything else.